Hello guys, so Claude just dropped the Claude Design feature and the results when converting Excel files into PowerPoints, valuation reports and dashboard are honestly amazing. However, there's a catch to it, like it comes with a limit usage cap and it's actually separate from the main Claude subscription, so when you have a usage limit, it starts consuming your extra credits. So here's the trick. After generate your design project in Claude Design, you should save it as a new skill. That way you can reuse it without hitting those limits as quickly. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a design completely from scratch, turn it into a reusable skill, and then use it to automatically generate PowerPoint and even evaluation reports. And the goal is to make the whole workflow fully automated, from raw Excel data to polished presentation ready outputs in just a few clicks. So let's get into it. First we go here, design systems, and we're gonna create one from scratch. And that's the thing, you can create from scratch, or you can use your like some templates, or you can have your all like design files and use it. But in our case, we're gonna just start from zero. So yeah, let's like prompt something. I have here some ready prompts. You're a financial analyst, you wanna build pitch decks, valuation reports, dashboards. You notice like I don't go very technical. Like I don't use any like, okay, I want to do this. No, I'm just like describing what I'm gonna do. Like, okay, my routines, everything, all the things I want to avoid and everything. So you basically prompt it and generate for you. It's gonna take like 5 minutes because they're gonna develop the whole design system from zero. Yeah, like it's like a file with a lot of things. So yeah guys, I'm gonna cut the video. So it's still building it, but yeah, it already generated a lot of nice stuff. It took like 10 minutes, so yeah, it's not fast, but yeah, like it makes like the review. Okay, like these colors, yeah, looks good. Ink and paper, yes. And you can like give a dynamic feedback of what you liked and what you didn't enjoy. And the thing is, it created this file here. So basically, what Claude Design is doing, it's like exactly what Claude X does, but it's a lot more trained to make exactly the design template you wish. So they make something very complex. For example, there's like the list of assets, logo, the types of charts you want, you know, football field, line, scatter, sensibility analysis, anything to put in your PowerPoint, like some previews of icons, colors, components, everything. There's like this model of slide, but yeah, I generate just one. I'm gonna tell him to generate another type. Yeah, and the thing is like it starts reading the README. So yeah, there's like all the visual instructions of what it does. For example, we initiate correlate of rate with a 142 price target, 18% upside. Not like we're excited about this, huge upside potential. Yeah, there's like a lot of specific rules, so it really trains the AI to think like a financial analyst. Think like this as if you were teaching your kid or like your student how to behave like a financial analyst. That's basically it. And also the skill.md, which is also important because we're gonna plug it in straight to VS Code. So you plug it to VS Code and it's gonna read this read.md file. So yeah, let's get started. It already finished. I think I just gonna ask them to make like a slide just to see how it is. Create like a 4 slide of any evaluation of NVIDIA, including DCF, peer, company overview. Yeah, that's how it's gonna build. And just for you to see, guys, while it's building, this is the Claude usage limit. Guys, I'm using the max like this month because I have been using like a lot of Claude. A lot. It just reset this session. So yeah. You see Claude Design, it uses like a different usage limit. You can see that like my weekly limits basically resetted right now, so like it's still very empty. But the Claude Design is already getting fulfilled just by making this design, so it's using yeah, a separate one, and it fulfills just once a week, so every Saturday. So this why it's important, you know, not to really use this a limit well. Use this just more to create, also to change your design, but not to keep generate, not to make it as a generating machine. So yeah, it's still reading, guys. It's still doing like the model. I'm gonna pause the video. So hello guys, it still haven't finished, but you can see it's building the slide, but it's already correcting. So basically the AI already knows like, okay, I finished, but okay, there's still some stuff wrong, and it's like verifying. There's like this computer thing doing all the verification. So it create like this design: live free cash flows build, implied price target, premium peers. Yeah, it like did a whole peer analysis. Did like a football field recommendation, overweight, and everything. This is like just a model, guys, because I think they got like a real market data and did it, or I don't know if it created random numbers. But yeah, it's quite solid. It's just a design we generated from scratch, like, or it is kind of good. So yeah, guys, basically right now we're gonna plug into our Claude skills all this deck, and yeah, there's everything here. So now give me the file to download and plug my skills. Basically, guys, you don't need to prompt it. I'm just a lazy guy. You can just go and download it. So yeah, this folder here, Claude skills. Oh no, the whole file. There's like this Claude skills, and this is basically where you plug all the type of skills you want. Like this is Remotion, this is for video editing, my initial financial design that I'm still working on it. And so I'm gonna plug also this project here. It's like in Claude, and you go to skills and extract it. And I try to like automate these guys, like doing like in GitHub and everything. It just doesn't work. And it's like to keep downloading everything. And by the way, it's important to make a name finance like this. So in case you want to plug in a terminal or something, you can do it. Okay, so it's called finance skills. Okay, so I'm gonna use my VS Code. Basically what I'm gonna do, I have a model here for Adobe. This is like an Excel file, which all the valuation. This valuation, by the way, was made by AI. This is a project I'm doing about automation of agents. So yeah, I have like income statement, scenarios, DCF, scenario sensibility, ratio analysis, historical returns, and all the data you get from the 10K. So basically, we're gonna use this Excel to make a evaluation report, PowerPoint. But for this video, guys, I'm gonna export everything to a PDF because it's faster. But you can also export to PowerPoint. You just need to work a bit more on the prompt because it goes a lot more messy than the PDF. And I have a second prompt. And guys, by the way, I'm gonna put all the prompts on my website. Maybe I also gonna put in a GitHub MD file, so you can just open the file and do it with your own like skills. And yeah, this is like the prompt I'm gonna do. Basically, I want the slides like thesis, company overview, strategy, historical financials, peer multiples walk, and another details, because I don't know, sometimes I had some trouble with it of overlapping. The slide become a bit messy, so I'm just telling them to avoid it. And sometimes, for some reason, the slide comes with a lot of empty spaces, so okay, just avoid doing this. And okay, I'm gonna copy. Okay, oh, there's another thing. Design system, what's the name again? Finance skills. Okay. Yeah, so it will also take a while, guys, because like this is a Claude from scratch. It's learning everything from zero. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Actually, I'm gonna accelerate it so you can see what is happening. Right now, guys, what it's doing, it already finished doing the slides. Now he's checking if there's like an overlap, because like
sometimes it's a bit messy, even with instructions from the MD file. The slide end up, part of the slide being like below it, and it's a very huge mess. So it's good to have this verify overlap script. So yeah, it's doing it, and after that it's gonna generate the final PDF. It's over. It's kind of funny, this AI decided to do screenshots to send to check. My previous haven't done it. So let's see how it is. Well, for initial model, quite fine. Detailing the subscription franchise, product clouds, one subscription engine. This one is about strategy. This one, okay, historical financials. About what do you have? A detail about the net income, the margins and everything. The revenue compounds. I'll give you a higher zoom, guys. This is like about the forecasting, which assumptions that he use for the forecasting and everything. I don't know, guys, it's too colorful. I don't know why it was generated like this. Very, very colorful, guys. It's fine, but not perfect. It needs to be adjusted. It's not every time that it's gonna get everything right at the same. Multiples, yeah, nice. Very well detailed. There isn't, I don't know why it's not compared. Okay, it's compared with peers. Nice, cool. This is like the walk detallations. Yeah, risk-free rate, accurate risk premium, resume. It also plotted a regression here to get the beta. Base case DCF, okay, with all the details. Sensibility analysis when you change the walk and the growth rates. Define recommendation, and yeah, it's not getting a lot of details about the bull, base, and bear. Okay, like for initial one, for example, that was never worked with, it's fine. It just need to be adjusted more, like the prompt and the design itself. I feel it's very colorful, so we should go to Claude Design and more or less change how we imagine. But yeah, it was quite fine. Look at the amount of files it generated. You could build an engine to build the PDF, the DAC, like the screenshot thing. You could do the ascent check, it's kind of fine. The overlap, so you see, guys, there's no overlap here. Like those messy stuff, like eating all the bottom of it. Because sometimes it happens to be. I know this because I was doing it before. This is why I prompted to avoid it. And it's quite fine financial modeling, honestly. I also want to show you guys the main one I have been working with. This one here. It's still not finished, but well, it has been happening. It has been having like a quite solid one, and that's it. It was 100% AI generated. Yeah. I use this other model to build the prompt for the other one, but still, it's quite different. It's incredible. All this, I don't know why there's like those pink stuff. I think it was from the last model I built. So I'm still adjusting all this. It's a lot of things is quite fine. This one is less colorful. This is something I enjoy. Yeah, need to adjust also this. But yeah, there are like a lot of different templates you can build on it and see what is the best one that most adjusts to your thing. And that's the thing, guys, I'm doing this all from scratch. You can also use your own financial models. Some companies, you also have the design, the brand design and everything. You can just input in it, and it's gonna be perfect. So yeah, guys, I hope you all got like at least a notion of what this Claude Design can do. There are like infinity possibilities. I'm just doing a PDF file, but you can also generate dashboards. You can build your website on it. Adjust the design of a website. You can, it's like infinite things you basically can do. So have a good day, everybody.